Yes, ma'am. We are live now.
Okay.
Just a minute. I can see the stream. It will be helpful. Okay. Yeah, we are on live, ma'am. So, hello everyone. Good afternoon, students. All of you are who have joined for this session. So, I am CS Anand Kankani, and with me I have Shubhi Mundra, ma'am. She is also a company secretary and a splendid faculty for CS students. She has taught students for across all the verticals of CS, foundation, double ET, which we call it now, executive, and she's also teaching CS professional. So a lot of you students who have been taking lectures from me for corporate restructuring and corporate funding, आप लोग ये बोलते हो कि सर you teach only corporate restructuring, बाकी subjects को कैसे manage करें? Sometimes you all don't get the right classes or something. So in that case, I approached Shubhi ma'am, and Shubhi ma'am has also agreed to take sessions for CS professional for all of you. So in module 2, CS professional module 2, I teach corporate restructuring. Shubhi ma'am is going to take resolution of corporate dispute and of course due diligence. So we are here to announce the entire batch for CS executive module 2, sorry, CS professional module 2, where Shubhi ma'am would take resolution of corporate dispute restructuring as usual. So Shubhi ma'am,
Yes.
welcome to this session and
Thank you.
welcome on my channel.
Thank you so much, sir. I would just say a very good afternoon to all my dear students out there. CS प्रोफेशनल की एक अलग ही अभी डिमांड है एंड बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो बोल रहे हैं कि मैम हमको इस सब्जेक्ट पे CS एग्जीक्यूटिव if I start with that sector, it is all about learning the basics, but when we talk about professional, it is all about the approach. एंड वो अप्रोच स्टूडेंट्स को ऐसा लगता है कि हम मॉड्यूल पढ़ के कर सकते हैं, बट एग्जीक्यूटिव की मॉड्यूल ऐसी है सर, बेसिकली लाइक वी नो कि एग्जीक्यूटिव की मॉड्यूल से स्टूडेंट्स पढ़ सकते हैं, बट प्रोफेशनल की मॉड्यूल्स ऐसी है कि आप उससे सेल्फ स्टडी करके वो अप्रोच नहीं ला सकते. If you go through the module, especially the subject I am taking out of two, DD and RCD I'll be taking. So अगर जो RCD की आप बात करो, that is paper 6, आप बिल्कुल भी उसको मॉड्यूल से कवर नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज इवन फॉर मी टू मेक द नोट्स इट टुक मी 4 months टू रीड द मॉड्यूल एंड एक बच्चे के लिए वो मॉड्यूल पढ़ना और जो दोनों ग्रुप या एक ग्रुप दे रहा है उसको कवर अप करना, सो दैट वाज अ बिग टास्क. सो जस्ट गाइस फॉर यू ऑल वी मेड अ प्लान कि व्हाई शुडंट वी गो, कि हम लोग बेसिकली अभी वी वर नॉट प्लानिंग, बट बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स ने बोला, सो वी आर बेसिकली announcing this batch, full-fledged detailed batch for the module 2 for CS professional. We'll be covering your RCD, CIRP and SACMDD in details, because DD का भी कोर्स बहुत वास्ट है, RCD का भी कोर्स इट्स 9 chapters. हमको ऐसा लगता है 9 chapters है, जिसमें पहले 7 थे, बट अभी उसने 9 कर दिया है. उसमें भी अभी लेटेस्ट कुछ अमेंडमेंट्स है, एंड इट इज नॉट एज इजी एज इट लुक्स. इट इज डेफिनेटली not approachable with your own self. So इसीलिए we are here to guide you with that.
Absolutely. And ma'am, resolution of corporate dispute, this subject, आपको बहुत सारे judgments को भी पढ़ना पड़ता है. It's not just the law. Like if you see operation and mismanagement, मैंने भी उस module को एक बार open किया था while handling the doubts of the students for December attempt. So I realized that it's not just the section which you need to know. You should also have a good understanding about the judgments, the past judgments, plus little bit of CPC, because court proceedings hai, disputes hai. So all those things you should also have a grip on. The NCLT rules, right, ma'am?
Yes, and even sir, absolutely right. And even I have taken the PYQ series, it's currently going on. तो उसमें मैंने फर्स्ट डे बच्चों को यही बताया है कि हमको आता सब कुछ है, बट RCD आपके साथ खेलता है क्वेश्चन पेपर में, बिकॉज RCD में क्वेश्चन इज ऑल डायरेक्ट, इट्स नॉट इनडायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन, बट वो जिस तरीके से आपको पूछता है, सो दैट इज इंटरप्रिटेशन यू हैव टू डू अकॉर्डिंगली. वो चीज बच्चों को नहीं समझ में आती है, जो आपको द वे आई टीच इज कि हम क्या टॉपिक पढ़ रहे हैं और कितने पॉसिबल वेज में ICSI हमको पूछ सकता है. So in the class, in the batch, we are going to learn all possible ways a question can be asked. So that would be very easier because see, padhna is easy. पढ़ तो आप खुद भी सकते हो, but why are we here is because we are going to tell you a different approach of how to face the question paper. That is important.
Absolutely, ma'am. And in fact, CS professional is just the specialization version of your CS executive. आपने जो भी CS executive में पढ़ा है, उसी का एक specialized version आपको मिलता है CS professional में. And Shubhi ma'am has already taken the PYQ sessions. Like even I've been taking PYQ sessions for corporate restructuring, and उसमें काफी अच्छा response आप students का मिलता है. Lot of students they text, even those who have not taken classes from me, they also text that PYQ sessions were extremely helpful. Shobhi ma'am has also started with her PYQ series.
I've got inspiration from you only to start PYQ series. So
no, okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you for that. But it is extremely helpful. And students, आप लोगों को शोभे मैम बिल्कुल conceptual clarity के साथ पढ़ाएंगी. And she's also going to take up the provisions from the BEAR Act. We are going to cover the ICSI module. Plus, we'll also keep tests. PYQ sessions would always be there, accessible through the YouTube platform. And Shubhi ma'am is in fact starting the batch of resolution of corporate dispute tomorrow itself, right, ma'am? कल से आप ये बैच स्टार्ट कर रहे हो. So tomorrow itself she is starting her batch for resolution of corporate dispute, and corporate restructuring. My recorded lectures are already going on. And since Shubhi ma'am is on board, now even I am feeling very invigorated, and I'm going to start with a crash course of corporate restructuring sometime in the second half of the March, probably post Holi. I'm going to keep a revision batch, the fast track batch, or you can say the marathon lectures I'm going to keep for corporate restructuring. And even Shubhi ma'am will come up with her lectures for due diligence right after the resolution of corporate dispute gets over. Otherwise आप लोगों के लिए बहुत heavy हो जाएगा कि resolution of corporate dispute, due diligence दोनों को एक साथ cover करना. But yes, it is going to be extremely helpful for all of you, because resolution of corporate dispute is one of the complex subject, like how we say it for corporate restructuring. And due diligence is also, it's so vast that उसको अगर एक कोई properly mentor करते हैं आपको, then it becomes very easy. But otherwise it's little vast, right, ma'am? So
yes, absolutely.
Due diligence, Shubhi ma'am would be taking, and resolution of corporate dispute. The lectures would be available through the online mode, and even the language which we are going to use in the sessions is going to be English as well as in Hindi. So the students who are comfortable with either one of the language, you can be part of this session, right? Also, in the description box, I have shared the link for the WhatsApp, so that you click on that link, you will straight away, you can get in touch with Shobhi ma'am, or you can straight away get in touch with me. Also subscribe Shobhi ma'am's channel. The link is again given in the description box. I'll share that. So do subscribe, and you'll be getting so much of content which will help you for your exams, the PYQ sessions. Plus, I really appreciate, Shubhi ma'am, the short videos that you're coming up with, the definitions of small company. So small concepts of Companies Act, which is again going to be extremely helpful for you.
Thank you so much, sir. And plus, I would like to give the students some detail, because आप कितना भी professional में चले जाओ, you never have to stop that school approach of studying. So I always believe in teaching with that school approach. So what I'm going to offer you in the batch is the thing which helped me gaining exemption in all the subjects, that is test. So we are going to have a chapter-wise test for each subject, each chapter. Second, we are going to have a mock test of 100 marks. Right, 50% syllabus of 2 tests, and then 100 marks 1 syllabus test, that is full paper. Then we are also going to discuss every Saturday or Sunday about how to write the papers or how to approach the question paper, which is very important, because even if you see a video, any video, you will be able to understand the chapter. But the important thing in professional is how do you approach the question paper, because it's actually tricky. एक हद तक एग्जीक्यूटिव में भी डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस पूछता है, बट व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट प्रोफेशनल, अगर आप क्वेश्चन पेपर, आप एक पीवाईक्यू सीरीज का एक क्वेश्चन ही देख लो, तो उसमें आपको समझ में आ जाएगा क्वेश्चन किस तरीके से पूछता है. सो दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो बेसिकली,
in fact, yes ma'am.
yes sir, please continue.
No, so adding on to what you said, in fact, we have seen lot of certified copies of the student. जब students ने बोला कि सर एग्जाम बहुत अच्छा गया था मैम, exactly ऐसा ही होता है that student ऐसे हम सर मैम लिख के तो आए थे, बहुत सारा content लिखा था, but marks क्यों नहीं मिला? And when we see the certified copy, we realize that student ने content पे लिखा है, but they have got 2 on 5, right? 1 on 5 या कई जगह उनको marks ही नहीं मिला. So वो relevance questions को समझना, it's very very important. And Shubhi ma'am is going to help you out with
yes sir, and
the resolution of
discussing कि कहाँ bullet points लिखने चाहिए, कहाँ paragraph लिखना चाहिए. Case law जैसे आपने बोला, तो RCD में case law सिर्फ judgments past वाले नहीं है. Even you know you have Ratan Tata versus Cyrus Mistry. You have certain cases जो अभी तक जिसके decisions भी pending है. So it is very interesting as well. So बहुत मजा आएगा पढ़ने में. Just go with the flow. You don't have to revise at home also. And yes, definitely we are bringing you a package of all the 3 modules. So you are already having an expert in corporate insolvency and winding up subject. So definitely we'll try to give your best. And ये जो बच्चे results में भी 25th Feb के बाद ये video देख रहे हैं, let me tell to them also कि ये जो batch है हम लोग अभी शुरू कर रहे हैं, so you won't miss much of that. And एक या हमारा एक चैप्टर ही हुआ होगा ज्यादा से ज्यादा तब तक. And definitely you will get unlimited views and recorded lectures as well. And on demand, if you prefer, we can also meet on Saturday Sundays for live doubt discussion.
Right. So like for my corporate restructuring, anyway, we meet on Sunday. So Sundays I keep a doubt session for all the students and revision session. So live sessions ke alawa Shubhi ma'am is, apart from live sessions, she is extending her support for the recorded sessions plus the Sunday or the weekend doubt sessions. That is very good, Shubhi ma'am, and it is going to be helpful for all the students. So I hope we all see you in the class, and all those students who are awaiting for the results of group 1 or group 3 for your exam. Wish you all the best and see you guys for group 2. And all those who are waiting for the results of group 2, all the best. We'll see you for group 1 or group 3. So very soon we'll have educators on board for group 1 as well as for group 3. And it is going to be extremely good to see all of them. It's together. Like, it's been my dream that corporate restructuring ke saath mein, it all started with your love and support, that I started with corporate restructuring with just one student, and gradually aaj ki date mein we have this beautiful YouTube family, and a lot of you know me for corporate restructuring, right? So now we have all the faculties here. So Shubhi ma'am is also there for resolution of corporate dispute and for due diligence. Gradually we'll have other faculties also on board, but like we believe that quality is something which is non-negotiable. So we are not just starting for the sake of it. When we know that we are prepared for it, we are coming up with that. So see you all in the class. Thank you, Shubhi ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. And before I bid them bye, to all those students who will be having their results this 25th Feb, all the best. And also to those who are just wondering to join or not, this is the best time, because March, April, we'll be finishing our course, April end, and then May, we'll be having a test series. So, a day late and you are a chapter late or a concept late or a basic late. So don't do that thing. Okay, इतना अभी तक लाइफ में रिस्क लिया है, प्रोफेशनल तक आ गए हैं, तो थोड़ा रिस्क और ले लो. और even I would say result, just go. कल मेरा जो चैप्टर मैं लेने वाली हूँ, that is free for all. So definitely you can join me. First chapter is free for everybody. So you can join me even अगर आपके results नहीं आए, you are free. You can have a good conceptual study about some topic. So do join tomorrow's lecture. The link is in the description box as sir mentioned. So you can join the link for further details.
And ma'am, what is the time of your lecture tomorrow?
So morning 11.
So tomorrow morning, 11 o'clock, you can tune into Shubhi ma'am's channel and you will be getting the live session of resolution of corporate dispute there. So just in case you want to know how Shubhi ma'am teaches, she is an excellent faculty, but yes, you can experience her classroom teaching in her session tomorrow. And you can also watch out for her PYQ series. Again, I'll make a private playlist for all of you. And I'll share that whatever lectures Shubhi ma'am has taken till now for resolution of corporate dispute, I'll just make a playlist and I'll share it in the description box. So right now, if you will see the description box, these nothing would be there because we have just started with this stream. But yes, as soon as this video gets over, the session gets over, I'll add all the links there in the description box and it will be helpful for all of you. So that's it from our side. Take care. Bye-bye. See you all in the class. Happy learning.